I got the Michael's itch. Hello and welcome. It's Melissa here, and I'm so happy you're joining me today. For today's video, well, the Michael's itch, it hit me again. It was calling me and well, I answered. So come and check out some of the newest home decor that Michael's has to offer and how I decorated it into my own home. So without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, so first of all, can I just mention there's a theme here. I can see it. I've got a lot of whites and blues. I really love decorating in blue and white, and there is really a French country feel to it, which I love. So first up, we have these blue and white, I don't know if you want to call it porcelain, ceramic balls that I absolutely love using as fillers. But I thought I would also mention that Michael's has had this in various seasons and various times throughout the year, and I have picked them up. I'll use them in under a cloche. I can just put them on trays and really give it that blue and white theme look that I'm going throughout my house. So next, all right, you'll see a theme here again. I'm talking about themes, but letters, this letter S. I absolutely love that there is these pearls. That's what really caught my eye, just seeing it all on display. It gives it a really romantic look. You can hang it up if you want, but I really loved placing it in different areas to give it that romantic, give it an extra personalized feel in my home. And then I found this blue and white medallion. I say blue and white, it really looks white, but there is a little bit of blue on it. And that really lends to the color scheme that I'm going for. And you can tell that everything has that cohesive look at Michael's so that you can purchase pieces and then place it all together. And to go with that medallion, I had to pick up this beautiful pillow. It is welcoming, pun intended, for my front entrance, and it really goes with that medallion. I can add a little bit more of that organic look in the woven basket circles that I have on the wall, but it also goes with the medallion. And then the S again, these beautiful little plaques or tiles. The nice thing about it is depending on the letter you picked, it was a little bit of a difference of a blue and white design. So feel free to check it out and go to your heart's content. And then I found this beautiful metal heart that has that lace look to it, and I purposely wanted to add it as a filler. I know it doesn't fit the bowl, but that was the point. I wanted it to kind of stick out, and it gives itself that cohesive look to everything. I tried to show you in this video how everything kind of goes together as I've pieced it together. But then there's also hanging capabilities for this heart as well. And so you can place it on mirrors, on windows, maybe on a wreath. And then, okay, the blue and white. These are so tiny and dainty, these little planters. It has the flowers there. It goes well with the theme. And then again, this is another Michael's find that they have had through different seasons, and I have picked them up each time. And there seems to be different color flowers on the top, but it gives it that chinoiserie kind of look that I'm going for. And then I found this other medallion, and to me, this is a lot more romantic. It has a lot of that rustic look to it. And for me, it gives it more of that old world feel that I was going for. So it does have that hanging. It will look more of a diamond shape, but then I really wanted to show that you can place it on shelves to act as a filler and really give it some visual interest as well. And then this, I have to say, is one of my favorites. Look at this planter holder. You could actually use a real flowers or not. This is fake that I have in that I had purchased from IKEA in the past, but it just lends itself nicely to not only give it an organic look, but just that beautiful French country feel that I'm going for. And then I just wanted to play around to see what it would look like with different colors as well as different flowers. And you can tell that there is such versatility in this piece that it really gives gives a whole new look depending on the type of flower or depending on the color that you are using. Oh, I just love the detail. And then, you know, Michael's is always does not fail me for greenery, stems, florals. And so I decided to pick up some of these. And I just wanted to give you and show you a little tip of how I decorate that also saves money. So I love to use different greenery, and I will use one stem, and I will purposely find a stem that has a lot of branches or flowers to it. And then I will intertwine the greenery that I already have that is usually cheaper than flowers, and I'll intertwine it so that now I'm getting a pop of color. It looks like I have a lot in there. You don't need too much, but again, getting that pop of color without spending too much money. And that was from a single stem. And so I did the same with the red just to show you the difference of those looks. So I hope that you like what you see. I hope that you go off and try some of these home styling ideas yourself. If you'd like to see more videos like these, please don't hesitate to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching, everyone. Stay inspired.